Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Ellipal Titan 2.0. To do it, click on your account name in the top center part. Now, to factory reset your device, you'll need to delete all the accounts. I'm gonna click on the three dots next to my account, click on delete account, then type in the password. Confirm it and click on OK. Now the device is reset. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.